So, what is immigration? What are these forms? To a new person, it is what do I qualify for? एक शख्स आता है और वो अपने किसी अजीज़ दोस्त जानने वाले से बात करता है कि जी मैंने यूएस में रहना है, मेरे पास क्या ऑप्शंस हैं. And people talk, people discuss, and we have a natural tendency to rely on this person who speaks our language, who is from the same culture, probably has the same religious beliefs, because it's sort of a human psychology, right? We tend to have the tendency towards that person. हम कहते हैं भाई हमारी ज़बान बोलता है, बोलती हैं, बैकग्राउंड वही है, रिलीजन वही है, तो ये हमारी बात को समझ सकती हैं, ये समझ सकता है, whether it's a male or a female practitioner. That is all good, but please, and at times it's also that does the person have experience? Yes, that person has been dealing. तो जिसने आपको रेफर किया उन्होंने कहा yes, you know, I've been dealing with this person for X number of years. इन्होंने मेरे फलां का केस किया था, वो हो गया, ये वो. So that level of comfort, level of trust, that is perfectly fine. But the one thing which I strongly recommend to anyone and everyone is please seek professional help. The person who is licensed, the law firm that is actually in existence. So many a times what happens is these are notarios, these are consultants, these are people who pose out in the public that yes, I can help you. Are you an attorney? Yes, I am. Or you know what? No, I am the paralegal and I have access to the attorney. And you never get to meet the attorney. Because then this person says, okay, where are you? Okay, you want to meet me? Yes, let's go have coffee together. I'll come to your home, don't worry. So they make you feel as if you have nothing to worry about. Why? Because they go the extra mile knowing that they are not attorneys. Or even otherwise, there are certain people who go to the extent of behaving that they have an office. And you go to their web page, you go to other things, you will see that yes, it appears real, but nowhere would it mention that yes, that person is an attorney or that is a licensed law firm. They will be providing services. Now what happens on those is that they may have had the experience, but the expertise or the focus that you need from a licensed attorney, that's not there. And I've seen that happen so many times. People fall prey. Just this past week, I had a consultation where the person said, I met so-and-so attorney, and the attorney said, okay, we're going to file this, and they filed and got it approved. But I had to go for a different status, and the person, the attorney so-called said, okay, we'll do this. It didn't work out. And when I asked the attorney why, he said, well, I don't know, I'll refer you to somebody else. Later on, it happened that the so-called attorney was not an attorney. Now, the problem with that is, and I have nothing against people who are trying to do something for others. At least be honest. If you're not an attorney, don't behave as such. And don't give that impression to somebody else, because just like in medical practice, you have those people who are not licensed medical practitioners, but they're doing it. Same in our line of work. In law, especially in some areas of law, including immigration law, people feel that, you know what, I know how to fill up a form, I know where to submit it, I know what sort of evidence is there, so I'll start doing it. People go to them, why? Because they feel कि जी मेरी ज़बान बोल रहे हैं, मुझे समझ रहे हैं, मुझे अकोमोडेट भी कर रहे हैं. वकील जो है वो कहता है कि जी सुबह 8 से 5 बजे तक दफ्तर का टाइम है, 2 हफ्ते तक टाइम नहीं है, मिलेगा भी तो अपने ऑफिस में मिलेगा जो इतनी दूर ऑफिस है. और ये जो साहब हैं ये भी वकील हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ मैं बाहर बैठ के स्टारबक्स पे मिल लेता हूँ, इन्हें जब भी कॉल करो ये फ़ोन उठा लेते हैं, इन्होंने अपना पर्सनल नंबर दिया हुआ है. Well, there is a reason for it. Nobody gives that just like that. That's because that person is not even licensed. And they want to take that money out from you because they know that in reality they are not allowed to do so. वो आपसे कहेंगे अच्छा जेल कर दो, मेरे प्राइवेट नंबर पे कर दो, मैं आपके साथ डिटेल में बात कर लूँगा, आप इधर आ जाओ, आप ये कर लो. Don't fall prey. And then it's sort of at times human psychology again. I look at it in that way कि जब आप आते हैं you want to get the answers which you like. तल्ख हकीकत आप सुनना नहीं चाहते. So attorneys, because we're all licensed, we fear for our license. क्योंकि मेरे पास अगर लाइसेंस नहीं, I'm also like a common man. मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता आपके लिए. तो मुझे ये डर होता है कि मैं कोई ऐसा काम ना करूं जिससे मेरा लाइसेंस अफेक्ट हो. The person who doesn't have a license has nothing to fear about. उसके पास लाइसेंस ही नहीं है, तो वो तो आपका जो आप सुनना चाहेंगे वो आपको सुनाएगा या सुनाएगी, whether it's a male or female who's giving you that information. So what happens is, कड़वा सच अक्सर वकील बोलते हैं, और वो इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो आपको वो इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं जो दर हकीकत आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद है. ऑन द अदर हैंड, एक पैरालीगल, एक नोटारियो, एक लीगल असिस्टेंट वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको देता है जो कोई वैल्यू नहीं रखता. क्योंकि वो कहता है कि जी ये तो आप सुनना चाहते हैं, तो आप कहते हैं कि जी मेरे पास कोई एम्प्लॉयर नहीं है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास स्कूल जाने की ये सिचुएशन नहीं है. नोटारियो कहेगा डोंट वरी, विल फिगर आउट एवरीथिंग, हम आपको ये भी मदद कर देंगे, ये भी कर देंगे, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट दे वांट इज मनी. हमें क्या पैसा नहीं चाहिए वकीलों को, हमें भी चाहिए. Everybody who works for compensation, right? But we have some ethics. हमारी हर साल CLEs होती हैं, continuing legal education, जिसमें वो ethics पे भी बात करते हैं. So they make us remind us, they make us remember कि ethics is a very important part of your profession. And unfortunately, what I've seen is ethics are very less prevalent. I won't say not at all. To some there are, but to notarios, to people who pose themselves as law professional providers or whatever name they call it, they call them by any means other than attorney or a lawyer, because they are not. So what happens is, if you fall prey to these people, you're stuck. Get out as soon as possible. Find legal help. Find legal help in the professional way, because it is your life. It's not going to go away. It's not that आप कहते हैं कि जी okay, let me try this, नहीं हुआ तो दोबारा कर लेंगे. You want to do things the right way. You want to do things the right way the very first time. If you don't do it, do you want to gamble on your own life? I doubt कोई भी ऐसा करना चाहेगा, चाहे वो शख्स फाइनेंशियली, एथिकली, मॉरली किसी भी लेवल पे है. आप दूसरों पे तो शायद गैम्बल कर सकें, लेकिन अपनी ज़िंदगी पे, और अपनी ही नहीं, अपने स्पाउस की, अपने बच्चों की, do you want to take all that risk by going to a notario, by going to a person who cannot take that responsibility? No, don't do it. Go to a professional, get things done the right way, and best of luck. And thank you once again for joining.
Your attorney, your immigration ally.